Liam, what's up, man? It's time, bro. They've been waiting on this collab. This goes out to all the chicks on Snapchat. I love that social media life edition.
All I